I've always wanted to go to Italy, Doc.
We're not technically in Italy anymore, Ruby. This is Vatican City.
Isn't Vatican City just a small city in Italy?
Vatican City is actually its very own country, right in the middle of Rome.
It must be pretty small then.
It's the smallest nation in the world, with only about 800 people living in it. That'd be considered a small town in the US.
But does it have its own flag and government and everything?
It sure does. It even has a national anthem. The government is run by the Pope, the head of the Roman Catholic Church.
The Pope lives here? Can we visit him?
Well, if you visit St. Peter's Square in Vatican City on a Sunday morning, you can see the Pope give his weekly address to the people.
What else can you do in Vatican City? Do they have a museum? I love art. I want to look at art. Can we look at art?
Yes, Ruby. In fact, Vatican City is home to the famous Sistine Chapel, painted by Michelangelo.
The famous Italian painter and sculptor from the Renaissance era, or the sewer turtle who fights crime with his three brothers?
The artist, not the turtle.
Oh, I love his famous sculpture of David. It's totally my phone background.
Well, the Vatican City has a number of his works inside of it. He was even one of the architects of the church behind us, St. Peter's Basilica.
OMG, let's go see it. Please, Doc.
I'd love to. You know, the basilica was built in 1626.
Doc, there's a gift shop here. Come quick.
Ruby,